the Harley-Davidson tattoos.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I can get the Keynote Curators, customers, clients to tattoo my logo, then I've gone through the Ken Schmidt
Well,
graduate school.
It starts with you, Seth. You have to do it first.
You're right. You're right.
Let me tell you an interesting thing about those tattoos, though, since you did bring it up. Go all around the world, and people always comment on those tattoos, whether they like motorcycles or not, whether they like Harleys or not, no matter where they live. People have seen human beings with a corporate symbol permanently inked into their skin. That being Harley, they don't see it with other products. What I love about that, though, is the learning opportunity that presents, because I always ask these folks is, when you see those tattoos, what do you suppose those tattoo wearing people are professing their loyalty to? And they always say what you're probably thinking right now, they're professing their loyalty to their motorcycle. And I say, no, that's the kind of thinking that bankrupted the business, that belief that we exist to promote, create, serve, and sell product. Product is what we do. And see, that's what hurt and killed our business. And that's also what we learned to our great amazement. That's counter-human. Humans aren't loyal to things. We're loyal to the people behind the things, right? The culture of the business, all that visible passion and energy and enthusiasm and the things that make people and businesses likable. And once we learn that, we say, we got to go all in on that. We have to be the most visible, passionate, likable people in our industry. We'll talk product all day if you want to talk product, but first let's just elevate and glorify the humans around us and see how they react to that. And what they do is they react with delight. And that's the linchpin of everything, because 100% of human beings will seek out and return to anything in their life that delights them. And that's
right.
That's actually the definition of loyalty. We return to any source of delight. So when we lead with a delight mindset, right, say and do things for people that they appreciate, remember, in ways that delight them, we are miles ahead competitively of anybody else in our market space.